What's going on, guys? Let's just get real. Let's get real in this video, okay? A lot of emotions are going on. A lot of you guys are scared. A lot of you are nervous. Some of you are very excited. You're elated because the price is going down. It's very interesting to read all the comments on these videos because we kind of have a split crew right now. It seems like some people just want Doge and these other coins to go away and they want it to go, very low so they can pick up discount prices. I'm not gonna lie, that's not a bad idea. I like it too. But some of you guys are holding in here and you're quite nervous and you're wondering where's the bottom. Some of you guys are asking, well, where's the top? I'm ready for this to blast off. So everyone's got their own opinions. Like, I just want to put this out there. You guys need to, at the end of the day, feel settled inside, what you want to trade with. So here's the two things I'm going to cover in this video. The rubber band effect that's going to play into our favor for everybody in this trade and everybody looking to trade. The rubber band tension effect, as well as how do you lose the best. Okay, it's a quick video. Watch this. As the price goes down from top moments, we'll call it top peaks. These are structure highs is what the technical term is. So structure high and a structure high. As we start moving down from here, the lower we go, the more tension that's created and the price can actually bounce back faster. All right. So watch this. As we start moving down, we see nice pumps. We see a nice pump, but this is ridiculous. Like, these are crazy moves. This is a 60% move. Yes, it's correlated differently because the price is lower and the percentage will be higher. But if you're looking at basically just a measurement perspective, this is almost a double move what we saw over here. All right. And now this move over here is basically around the same, but we have a little more structures down here with candles. And this is just a long wick value, but this is probably around 1.5 times what this is over here. Okay. So it is pretty close. Actually, the wick value is pretty darn close down here. So we'll call these, same movements. The point is that as this goes lower and lower and lower, greater levels of support are hit, bots are triggered, retail traders are triggered, and visually, these are places where people are like, oh my gosh, crypto's on discount. I'm snagging this bad boy because I think it's going to go back up. That is what happens. So why do I trade only dollar cost averaging? It is because as we come down and we hit these levels here, the tension and the rubber band effect takes place. When the price comes down and hits our second buy limit, this is going to move our BE, which is called a break-even entry, down to about 2,250, right between 2,500 and 2,000, just a little bit higher, 2,280 probably, somewhere around there. Okay, so that's where our entry is going to happen. This is exciting for me and all of you guys following this channel, and those of you guys who are over at Trade Confident, you guys are following the live trades over here, and this is what I'm going to be updating you guys on if it happens over the weekend or even Monday or Tuesday on Ethereum. If we start moving down here and you guys start seeing this, price drop out very fast, then yeehaw. Like, let's get a little excited. There's a lot of depression going on out there right now. Be like, oh my gosh, I think it's going to go down. But I think dollar cost averaging is an exciting way of trading because even if we go down, we get the price to move down. Now, like what I said over here, this was around a 60% jump back up. So when I'm on these videos and I'm saying, guys, we could possibly see, a 40% jump, I'm not just pulling it out of my rear end. Like, these are historical data moves. Everything you guys hear me talk about on this channel is not emotional FOMO or FUD. Like, everything will be news, backed up by fundamentals, or backed up by money flow and historical data. All right. Now, some people could argue that the news is, the news is tainted and all that stuff, but doesn't matter. Retail traders look at it, it affects their emotions, and we need to pay attention to that because a lot of people take that into their analysis when they trade. So that is the tension of the rubber band and how the price can move up very fast. Because if you put all your money right here at 2,500 and that's where your market order was, then when the price gets down here, you're waiting for this to come all the way back up. So you're going to get in here and you're going to wait for a total of, a 25 to 20, you're going to wait a 26% move. You need a 26% move to get back into the profit. Well, if you're down here and you come up to the middle point here, all you need is a 13%, 14%, and you've broken even probably is what I meant to say there. And then you guys actually start moving into the profit. It's a very favorable and fun way to trade with dollar cost averaging. Okay, that video section is done. The next part of the video, managing this trade, is talking about this. Every time I enter a trade, I focus on this one thing. How can I lose the best? There's too many people. Hopefully you guys can take the pieces of this that really, resonate with you. And I'm not bagging on anybody, but there's a lot of content that's pushed out there that says we're going to head to the moon, we're going to go to the moon, all this news. Even I put out this morning a real article that someone predicted 100,000 move for Ethereum by 2025, and then another person put 20,000, and then another person put 10,000. So yes, those are real analysis and those are real perspectives. So we can't leave those out because that is affecting the market. But hear me out on this. I have worked with thousands of traders, and it is far better from my observation and perspective to always get in a trade and expect it to go down. Like every single time, guys, like expect it to go down. That way your dollar cost averaging, your risk management immediately gets really tight. Like your emotions are, put in a place where if we go down, you're expecting it. Also, your risk management, like I just mentioned, it's on point, okay? This is great risk management in here. I'm not putting all my money in one place for the market order. I haven't split out a lot, and these buy limits are really well spread out, okay? So let's end this video with this. When I said, lose your best, I want you guys to focus on that. Not financial advice, this is just my personal advice, but if Ethereum, okay, you guys ready for this? If Bitcoin were to head down to $1,000, okay, if it were to start crashing down here, or if Ethereum were to head down to $500, because there are some people that may think that. I wouldn't doubt if they think it's going to zero with some comments that, are just floating around the crypto community right now. If this goes to $500 and you guys pretty much lose all of your money, if I wake up one morning and I lose all my $10,000 that are in here, how am I going to feel? And I'm going to be honest with you guys. I don't know how I'd feel. Yes, it would suck. Like that would be really frustrating and it wouldn't be a fun experience. But I can promise you this. I could look my wife in the face. I could look myself in the face in the mirror and say, you know what, Travis? You lost the best. Like that's what I want you guys to get out of this video. Some of you guys won't get it. I understand. You just want it to go to the moon. But for those of you guys who are listening and it like hits something in your heartstrings maybe, you guys at the end of the day, if we crash in here, it is all about, did I lose the best? Because depression will take over if this happens and emotions will go crazy. And it is about how did I trade and did I lose the best? If you guys change your perspective of that every time you enter into a trade, I really think you'll enjoy trading and I believe you will be more profitable as you continue this journey. So whatever was helpful in there, take the pieces that you enjoy, take it or leave it. But I think that's been a really helpful thing for me as well as other traders that I've been coaching here and been talking to. So God bless you guys. Have an amazing, amazing weekend. And I'll come back on Monday with all the video updates and let's see if we can jump up into the profit. See you guys. Have a good one. Bye-bye.